Welcome back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. We're going to be doing a Monument 4-burner grill assembly in this video for you. We picked the dreariest day in December in order to get this going, but fortunately, over the summer, we built this outdoor kitchen studio in order to do these kind of shoots. If you're interested in seeing how we built this outdoor kitchen, we've got a video up. I'll link to it right here and you can go take a look at it. Instructions. These instructions are written very well. If you follow them step by step, you won't miss any of the piece together processes. Totally worth doing the instructions, opening the book, and I'm one of those people that doesn't always do that. Now, having put many of these grills together, just a quick note, if you pay attention to the diagrams and when you get little clues about like this and which side it's going on and which way it's facing, I'm not gonna say I get it right every time, but it's something worth paying attention to. Otherwise, you end up assembling and disassembling several times. I'm not going to tell you that you have to have two people in order to put this together, but boy, does it sure help. Now that you've seen this whole assembly and fast forward, I'll tell you, Monument Grills, I'll put a link to their video right up here. They have a great assembly video that walks you through some of the steps, and you can get really focused in on how this assembly goes together. I can tell you, you'll figure it out. If you can turn a screwdriver, you can figure this thing out. Now this is interesting. This is next level stuff for me. I've never owned anything like this with the infrared. This will be fun to learn. Come back for more videos. I'm not normally a gasser, but there's advantages to using a gas grill. Get home from work, go straight into cooking, it's easy. We're also going to be doing in either this part 1 or part 2 video, one of those smoker tubes where we get some smoke going in the grill with the gasser cook. I love the smoke flavor and it's normally what I go after. Links to purchase will be in the description of the video. I will say this. Be prepared to lift this thing with some weight if you don't have a dolly. This thing's built like a tank. It's a 2-person lift for sure. I'm not exactly sure, but I think that may be a USB port. I can't wait to figure out what that's for. This isn't even a store purchase. They delivered it right here to the house. The instructions do say to do a burn off, which burns all those manufacturing oils. You can see the smoke coming off on that infrared searing grill right there. So the instructions don't necessarily say to do this, but I always do a quick seasoning on the grill. And you've already seen one shot there. When you start a grill up, you get some of that factory burning off of your grill, and that's what that smoke is. So I like to burn the factory off. Get some of that interior just seasoned up a little. A little bit of canola oil, and not scorching hot. Get it up somewhere around 400 degrees for maybe 15-20 minutes. You'll see the smoke will key up, especially with these cast iron grates. A little bit of canola oil. You'll also get a good non-stick brewing on those as well. I see some comments out there on other videos where they're talking about concern over the window and keeping it clean. I'll give you some tips and some tricks in either part 1 or part 2 where you can see easy ways to make this happen, and you don't have to worry about replacing the window. The grill does come with 3 very durable feeling, well-made cast iron grates. I love the cast iron, as you've seen in some of my other videos, so this is perfection. For the very first cook in this, we're going to do drumstick lollipops. One of our favorites. They're prone to burning. So if we just take 6 of these and spread them around the grill, we'll be able to see whether or not there's any hot spots on the grill, which can be a problem with some of your cheaper grills. Even with the high sugar content in the rub as well as the barbecue sauce that's prone to burning or blackening with the sugar, very responsive, fantastic operating grill, very easy to control the temperature, and no hot spots. So far with this first simple cook, great fun, easy to use, and lollipop drumsticks can be a difficult cook. And then come back for part 2. They sent us a rotisserie kit. We're gonna go ahead and we might even do a turkey for Christmas. So YouTube says that this video is perfect for your viewing habits. This is my latest upload, and over here is a playlist you might just enjoy. I hope you liked it. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.